This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with subtracting unlike fractions. Okay, please have your homework page ready and let's begin. Students, you can cross out a few of these. So as we're going along, you'll want to see the ones that you can cross out and cross them out. All right, number one. We have 5/7 minus 2/3. Now the first thing that I'm going to do when I have unlike fractions is write the expression here in a column. So I have 5/7 minus 2/3. Now I'm going to extend my fraction bar, and I need to think here of what my common denominator will be. So I'm going to do multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, and I'm also going to do multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. I can keep going. 15, 18, 21. Oh, there it is. 21 is the least common multiple, so that will be the least common denominator. Okay, after I do this, then I'm going to ask myself, what do I do with 7 to get to 21? Well, I'm going to times by 3, because 7 times 3 equals 21. If I times by 3 on the bottom, I'm going to times by 3 on the top. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, and here I have 2/3. Oh, I need to ask myself, what do I do with the 3 to get to 21? Well, I times by 7. So if I times by 7 on the denominator, I need to times by 7 on the numerator as well. 2 times 7 equals 14. Now I'll look at my numerator, 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14 is 1, so my numerator is 1, and my denominator stays the same. It is 21. So that is the answer to the first one, 1/21. Let's look at the second one. I'm going to do the same thing. These are unlike denominators, so I'll write 2/3 and I'll subtract 3/8. I'm going to extend my fraction bar because I need to get a common denominator. So I'm looking at the numbers 3 and 8 and deciding what multiple of 3 and what multiple of 8 would be the same. Well, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, oh, I don't need to do multiples of 3, they're right here. Okay, and multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24. Okay, there's not an 8, there's not a 16. If I keep going, 21, 24. Aha, there's a 24. So my denominator will be 24. So then I ask myself, what do I do with the 8 to get to 24? What do I do with the 3 to get to 24? And I work that out. I'll go ahead and do this one. 3 times 8 is 24, so I multiply by 8 up here. 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times what number equals 24? It's 3. 8 times 3 is 24. I multiply by 3 here. 3 times 3 is 9. I have 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. That'll be my numerator. And 24 is my denominator. Now I need to ask myself the question, is this simplified? Well, let's check and see if it's simplified. I'll do factors of 7. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Oh, that's it. Factors of 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Okay, so now I'm looking for the greatest common factor. Well, 7 is not in here. Oh, look at that. The greatest common factor is 1. If the greatest common factor is 1, then that means that the fraction is already simplified. So I'll write 7/24 and continue. Students, you do not need to do number 3. Go ahead and do 4, 5, 6, and 12. Okay, thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.